is Sophie, a French girl from Dominican life. Today, I'm located in Puerto Plata, in the center of the town, and we are in a residential. I'm going to show you a brand new 3-bedroom house. So come with me. Like you can see, this is a brand new house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very spacious, bright. You have a roof. If you want to make a second level, is already prepared, or make a nice roof terrace. Various different options. So this is ready to move in. You just need to bring your furniture, your decoration, and you have your brand new house in Puerto Plata. So if you need more information, click the link below, subscribe, share, and like.